What's up guys, this is Kaiwan, and today's video we're gonna talk about audio. To be honest, for me this is a really big topic, and I think nobody should avoid the audio because it's probably the most important part when it's come to filmmaking and recording videos. Sometimes we just get too caught up by having like good visual, good lighting and everything, but we forget about the audio, which is probably the most important thing. Like having good visual is really important, but having good visual with a terrible audio quality is just like, I cannot find any metaphor, but it's like you're pleasing your viewer eyes, but you're also destroying their ears, which can be really annoying. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I record my audios and how I improvise it in Adobe Premiere or any type of software you use to just, enhance your audio quality. So I will say something right now, and this is before I edit the audio. My name is Kaiwan Shaban and I love potatoes. Now I will edit the audio. My name is Kaiwan Shaban and I love potatoes. You see the difference is quite big and you don't notice it somehow, but your ears are enjoying in the second one. It's like, oh yeah, it's crispy nice. And also I want to talk about what mic I use and how the way I do it is a bit challenging because I have so much echo in the room, but I still get a really good quality out of it. The reason I have this mic so close to me because the closer you get to the mic, the better and the clearer it will sound. And also I have this Blue Yeti mic, which is probably the best option out there, and it's not sponsored. Blue Yeti black version. It was around $130. I remember. I've been using it for 2 years and I highly recommend it. This mic is pretty much my go-to mic pretty much for everything. So alright, so without further ado, let's just jump to Adobe Premiere and show you guys how I edit my audios and how I make it sound crispy, clear and nice. Let's do it. Alright guys, so right now we are in Adobe Premiere and we have our audio. Make sure you separate your audio from the video by holding Command L or Control L if you're using Windows. Anyway, so you click on your audio and then we go to audio here. And as you can see, we have a lot of effects. And if you don't have the effects section, you go to Window and then you check effects and it will appear automatically. So now we have all the effects that we can apply to our audio. There will be 3 effects that I will be applying on my audio. First, there will be EQ. So now we're gonna start off with Parametric Equalizer. I'm gonna click on Edit, and then we have Default. I go to the last one, which is Vocal Enhancer. The next one is called Vocal Enhancer. So this one is also very effective. Now when you click on edit, you have male, female or music. So in case if you have the music, you can enhance the music too. In my case it's male, obviously, I mean, come on. And then the next one I use De-Esser. Wait, De-Esser, how do I, yeah. This is De-Esser. You apply that. So automatically when you apply Vocal Enhancer and Parametric Equalizer, the S letter will come out really sharp. So you don't want that. And that's why we have De-Esser. We're gonna click Edit and then we have Male Voice De-Esser. And this is the final result. My name is Kaiwan Shaban and I love potatoes. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to support my channel, please go to kaiwanproduction.com where you can find all of my preset packs, LUTs, overlays, and many digital assets for your photography and videography. I'll see you in the next one.